Okay, students, now we are in question number 33. This is a complete question, okay, where you can see the application of debentures, okay, till this interest on debentures, okay, we have to make this ledger account also, okay, so we will see. So the debentures, they are issued on 1st April 2018, okay, so you can see that this is, sorry, this is the first entry, okay, when you receive the application money on 10,000 number of debentures at rupees 40 each, okay, so the application money is rupees 40 and the remaining amount is on allotment, okay. So in this question, number of debentures is not mentioned, okay, how many number of debentures are actually issued. So what do, you divide this 10 lakh amount by rupees 100. This is how you get the number 10,000, okay, so this is how you can find the number of debentures that are issued, okay. Rupees 10 lakh divided by rupees 100, okay, amount, total amount of debentures divided by face value of each debenture, okay. So this is your entry, okay. Now remember that these debentures, they are issued at a discount of 8%, okay. So each debenture, it costed rupees 100, okay, so the discount is of rupees 8%. So 8% of 100 rupees will be how much? Rupees 8. And this rupees 8 will be adjusted with the allotment money, okay. Now rupees 40, okay, now out of rupees 100, 40 is on application, now remaining 60 is on allotment, right? So from this allotment money, rupees 60, 8 rupees for discount will be adjusted, okay, which means 60 minus 8, okay. So just keep this in mind. So this is the first entry. Let me use this highlighter, okay, let's use the yellow one today. So okay, so this is the first entry that we made, okay, bank account debit to application account. Now application account debit to 15% debentures account, okay. So this is the entry. Now have a look at this particular date. Now the balance money was called on allotment, okay. So now you know this from the shares chapter only, that when the allotment money is to be called up, okay, that time only the application money will be transferred to debentures account, okay. So on this particular date, allotment money was also due, okay, and the amount, okay, payable on the redemption was rupees 5, okay, because the debentures were repayable at a premium of 5%. So 5% of rupees 100 will be 5, okay. So this is the entry. uh, Sorry, there is a mistake I have made here, so it should be here actually. So many typing errors are there, so sorry for that. Question number 33, okay, yeah. So you can see here that on debenture allotment, okay, it will be called up rupees 60 minus 8, how much? 52 rupees will be called, okay. This is the allotment money to be received, okay. And don't worry about this loss, because this loss is composed of two things, which is 10,000 into 8 will be how much? 80,000, okay. So 80,000 plus this premium money of rupees 50,000 is 1,30,000, okay. So this is how you get the loss on issue of debenture. So let me just make it quite bigger, okay. So maybe it will fit now. Okay, okay, so you know this, okay, you have done this particular sorry, these two entries, okay. Now we are in this particular entry. So debenture allotment will be on 10,000 number of shares, but you will not ask rupees 60, but you will ask only rupees 52. Why? Because there was a discount of 8%. Okay, so this discount will be adjusted with the allotment money. Okay, and premium on redemption of debentures is your 50,000. Okay, so this is your entry, the fourth entry on time of allotment. Okay, and this loss will be composed of actually this is your 80,000 is your discount. Okay, 50,000 is this premium on time of redemption. Okay, so 80 plus 50, 1,30,000. Okay, so finally you will receive the money, bank account debit to allotment account. Okay, now you have this interest on debentures. Now this is a very interesting part of this particular question, because you can see this question, uh, interest on these debentures was to be paid half yearly on 31st March and on 30th of September. Okay, so you start from 30th September of this year 2018, and the amount of money to be on from 1st May onwards. Okay, so from 1st of May the amount, I mean, it is only for the 5 months. Okay, so you will count from 5 months. Okay, so how much is the interest on debentures? 15%. Okay, so what is the amount of debentures, the full face value of debentures? 10 lakh rupees. Okay, let us have a calculator out here. Okay, we have calculator now. So 10 lakh is the amount of debentures. Okay, so interest rate is 15% into 15 by 100 equals to how much? 1,50,000. But this should be on a half yearly basis, right? So you pay half yearly, so it is only for 5 months. So whenever you do half yearly, you just divide the amount by 2. How much is the amount? 75,000. Okay, but you are starting from 1st of May, so May, June, July, August, September. You will pay on the at the end of the September, so you have to count the September. Okay, and you are starting from the 1st of May, so hence you have to count the entire month of May. So May, June, July, August, September, how many months? 5 months. Okay, so into 5 divided by 12, how much is the amount? Oh, sorry. Oh, in the beginning only I made a mistake. Just wait. So 10 lakh is the amount of debentures, right? So into 15 divided by 100, into 5 divided by 12, how much? 62,500. So this 62,500 is the interest for the first of month. Okay, so that is for only for 5 months. Okay, only for 5 months. Okay, so that's how you can get it. Okay, let me show you one more time. 10 lakh. Okay, I hope you can see it properly. Okay, let me show you here. This 10 lakh. Okay, 10 lakh is the full face value into 15%. Okay, into 5 divided by 12. Okay, you are calculating only for 5 months. That's why 5 by 12. So from May to September. Okay, 5 months, 62,500. Okay, so that's the amount. And for rest, okay, so let me show you here. uh, let us come to this point. So what's that? Okay, anyway, so 10 lakh. Okay, sorry, yeah, 10 lakh into 15% will be how much? This is for the full year, divided by 2, how much? 75,000. So 75,000 is for the 6 months. Okay, for the remaining 6 months. Okay, that is from October to March. Okay, October, November, December, January, February, March. For 6 months you are paying the interest. Now in the previous question, when we had done that question, okay, let me take you to that question. Mm, in question number, what was that question? Out there, there was a TDS, okay, that was of 20%. TDS was deducted, okay. So, okay, question number 4. In question number 4, there was TDS also, okay. But in this question number 33, we have no TDS, okay. That's why we will not do any adjustment for TDS, okay. So, whenever there is interest on debentures, okay, that is due on debenture holders, it will be recorded as it is, excuse me. And this payment of the interest on debentures, okay. And again, on 31st March, you will have this particular entry, okay, and you will make the payment, okay. And at the end of that particular year, okay, this statement of profit and loss will be debited to loss on issue of debenture and to debenture interest. So whatever is the interest on debentures for that particular year, okay, for the financial year 2018 to the 2019, should be transferred to statement of profit and loss, okay. So total is 1,37,500, because you can see here 62,500 plus 75,000 will be 1,37,500, okay. Now as you can see here, this loss on issue of debentures is how much? 1,30,000, right? So out of 1,30,000, we are only writing 26,000. So what is happening here? It is actually mentioned here in the question itself. So have a look at the question. So in question it is mentioned that okay, after 5 years, the debentures were to be redeemed at a premium of 5% after 5 years. So the debentures are to be redeemed after 5 years, right? So what is the loss on debenture? 1,30,000. Let us go to calculator again. 1,30,000 divided by 5 will be how much? 26,000. So each year 26,000 will be written off. Okay, 1,30,000 divided by 5. 1,30,000 is the loss on issue of debenture. Okay, the redemption period of debenture is 5 years. Okay, so 1,30,000 divided by 5 will be how much? 26,000. So each year you will redeem the debentures of rupees 26,000. Okay, so this is your entry, and let us have a look at this 15% debentures account. Okay, so it is for the first year. Okay, so it's very simple. This application money, okay, debenture allotment, and this discount on issue of debentures, rupees 80,000. Okay, so I hope you know this 80,000. It is mentioned out here, 80,000. Okay, 80,000. So this is your in 15% debentures account for the financial year 2018 to 2019. Okay,